Oh, hey guys. I'm going home. And, oh, hold on. Sorry. Probably can't hear me. And the copyright stuff, right? Anywho, going home. So let's do like a little going home vlog kind of chat here. Like, it's been a crazy month at my work. It's been pretty crazy. We had, see if I can do this in order. Had the South Wing elevator go down, starting early this month, a couple Fridays ago. Today's Friday, the 27th, and so 3 weeks ago the South Wing elevator went down. That's all my videos that y'all saw. Then after that, that next weekend, that next Friday, somebody knocked a sprinkler head off, which I got a video about the damages of what happened after that happened. So that happened. Then we had a small leak midweek. That small leak, got a video of that as well, where I was called out for like that little pipe on the circulatory pump was leaking. That was no big deal really. And then that same mechanical room, which I didn't get any film or pictures of, but the main shutoff valve, the valve popped right out of the valve body and flooded that whole area back there a little bit. We got it contained quicker than, I mean, it was probably just several hundred gallons of water, thank God. Maybe around 400 or 500 gallons of water, maybe. Seemed like it. I don't know if I'm exaggerating, but it went all the way down the hall, all the way into the mechanical. It was everywhere, but not as bad as the sprinkler head. So then after that, that happened on a Friday. Then on come Monday, this past Monday, our fire system went down in one of the wings in our building. And when that happens, it's mandatory that we have fire watch by company policy, state code or something. So we have to have human smoke detectors. Basically, we're walking up and down the halls, being bored like a security guard. Most companies, that's what they would do, is hire security detail to do that. But you know, we just use the employees, and I got a crap load of overtime, so I'm not complaining about that too much. So yeah, it's been fairly crazy what's been going on at my work. So hopefully our curse is over. But we do a lot of things. I also wanted to talk about like some of the things that we do that apartment maintenance may or may not do, and maybe y'all can put in the comment sections below if I'm accurate on any of these, or if you disagree. I don't care. Just TV remotes. Almost all of our work orders is TVs. Constantly have to go up there, push the input button, change it from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2 or whatever. You know, that's one of the biggest things. We have to lift residents up when they fall. We just do everything. I mean, just whatever needs to be done at that moment. You know, we don't assemble like kit furniture like IKEA furniture and Walmart desk and stuff. Just too time consuming, and yeah, and we don't work on scooters. But in apartment maintenance, you're probably not installing grab bars. We put in grab bars. Old people's toilet seats, like with the risers on it. You know, you have those handlebars that go on the toilets. We do that for them. We hang pictures when they move in. That's actually one of our company's selling points, I guess. video of me sucking blood out of carpet. It's an extra thing that you try to do to make the resident happy. That's our whole goal. Is you make the resident happy, you'll be happy, you know. But you do have some of those residents or tenants that will take advantage of your kindness and just say, oh, Jeff will do everything, you know. Oh, okay, here, come over here and hook up my oxygen machine, you know. Another thing we're not supposed to mess around with life safety stuff. Oxygen machines, scooters. If a microwave's broke, we don't open it up and try to fix it. We just replace it because of a fire hazard, whatever. We don't care if it's just a blown fuse or they burn popcorn in there. We really don't care. We just replace it. When they move in, we give them microwaves anyway if they don't have one. We do a lot of things. Traffic jam. It's always slow right here because nobody can go. I know you guys can't see, but I'm getting on the highway, which is slower than the road I just got off of. Yeah, so put in the comment sections below, guys. What kind of stuff at an apartment complex do you guys do, like that you just really is like, well, I mean, it's what's a nuisance, I guess, is what ours is. TVs, and then when somebody's phone's not working, they think it's our problem. I don't know why. I've never been in a situation where I've called a maintenance guy to fix my phone. I mean, I usually call the phone company, but we'll go up there and we'll see if it's something easy. Maybe she has it on tone or pulse dial or something like that, or the volume's not up, or who knows. So, but it's a constant, just my TV's not working. Oh, another thing, vertical blind slats. We go through 400 a month. These people just cannot get it, like how to open a vertical blind set. And I'm talking about those Venetian blinds where, you know, you have to open them and then they stack up on each other. Well, they don't open the blinds, and they just think, you know, just pull the stick across or do the string, and well, they just can't get it. I mean, we literally go through 400. We just ordered another 400 for this month, and I think we got like 20 left from last month. So yeah, that's another big one. And then somehow people keep ripping open their screens. They have screen-in porches, and they keep. That's another thing. They got 4 or 5 work orders of screen repair. I'm like, why? What are you doing? So, I don't know. Put it in the comment section below, like I said before. Let me know. Let me know some of the stuff that y'all do that's kind of a nuisance that you don't really think you have to be doing. You know, it just takes up so much of your time, and you can't really get to the work orders. That's our biggest problem right now. We can do all this stuff, but we never get to the actual work orders we're supposed to be doing, like the garbage disposal is clogged or something like this. I'm running around getting caught by a resident. I call it CBR over code name on the radio, and they'll call you into their apartment to fix their TV, and then you end up replacing the garbage disposal, putting up blinds and stuff like that, and the whole repair would only take you 5 freaking seconds to okay, your slat's out, you know. Well, while you're here, there's another thing that just popped up. Oh, glad you remembered. Yay. Well, guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. I'm almost at my destination. So, that being said, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Hopefully I'll get some more videos up and going for you guys. I'm having a little problem with editing software right now. I was using Camtasia Studio 9, and for some reason it's crashing on me and stuff. It was since I did that computer upgrade, actually. So I need to check out and see what's going on with that. Got something configured wrong, but anyway, guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You have a great day and stay safe.